ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Big City Crypto Community. So guys, I am here back again with a fabulous project GTA token. So let's start the review. Before starting the we see a small disclaimer. I'm not your financial advisor. This is not investment advisor. Make sure to do your own research before any investment. I'm not responsible any profit and losses. All links provided in the description. You can check out here. First of all, you can see the meme token of the greatest game series in the history. You can also check out MEXC, Dex Scanner and Sushi, bringing together fans from all over the world into the one community. GT token was created a meme token by Team Anthetics with the aim to unite the multi-millions fan of the best game in history into the big community and giving them the express thereof. This is very big project, and here you can see the community projects. GTA Championship, this is GTA Championship coming soon. You can check out GTA NFT market, and they have some upcoming soon, and secret, this is secret project, this is also coming soon. This is token economics of GT token. GT token is a cross-chain token in the fan community of the GTA game series based on Ethereum and Arbitrum blockchain network. It's a primary tool of GT token community ecosystem. GTA NFT market and GT token championship. You can click on learn more. You can also click on learn more and learn more about this project. The symbol is GTA network, Arbitrum and Max Fly. You can also check out, I think, billion plus, and this is token address. You can copy here. This is white paper. Simply click on the white paper, and you can also check out the roadmap of the project. This is social links, Telegram and Twitter. Here you can end of the project, and the email is also provided. You can contact here. So I click on roadmap of the project, and you can click on three dots. You can check out about GT token community project and token economics. Here you can see this is roadmap. You can check out first quarter 2024 January March listing on DEX, listing in CX tier 2 exchange, launching on strategy partnership integration, creating token economics, white paper project website and project integration, community development, community participation reward program, amortization and social media. You can also check out meme and contract, and here you can see the second April and June, and there you can also check out July and September and fourth quarter October and December. This is 2024 listing on tier exchange. This is launching GTA market, reaching 500 followers on X Twitter. Here you can see the all roadmap about this project. Meme and contract creation, activate the generating and spreading memes on the audience attention, and mimetic ecosystem, social media campaign second quarter, meme and reward launching on the meme for staking, offering rewards for the meme creation. So here you can see the project white paper, meme cryptocurrency of the development of online gaming, and here you can see about the white paper, GTA project concept, GTA token championship, GTA NFT market, and here you can see that second phase marketing target audience, target market volume and project, and project target audience and token economics, token distribution, roadmap, disclaimer and reference. Here you can see the first page of this project: industry, video games, cryptocurrency, target market, cryptocurrency 1.6 trillion, video games 164 billion. Here you can see target gamers, crypto authentics and investors. First of all, you can check out the GTA meme coin concept. GTA is a meme cryptocurrency especially created for gamers and crypto authentics who wish to unique ecosystem will be around the video games. You have choose a launch and project. You can also check out the GTA meme concept, and here you can see the network and Arbitrum, Optimium and base network and Polygon. Here you can scroll down, and this is championship. You can also scroll down key feature of GTA tournament platform, and here you can see the GTA NFT market is coming soon, and you can also scroll down marketing, target audience. You can also read out according to the coin market cap as the January 13 2024 the cryptocurrency market volume is approximately 1.6 trillion, showing the 70% increase from a year ago. You can also check out the chart of this project. And guys, this is distribution. You can also check out it, and here you can see the target audience. You can also check out the target audience and target token economics and token distribution. And here you can see GTA token cryptocurrency duration. You can also overall liquidity, marketing and project team. This is the project team, and here you can see the overall liquidity is 6,000 GTA distributors follow. And you can also check out project team. You can also check out the introduction and marketing, and there is a roadmap: first quarter, second quarter, and third and fourth. Fourth is very amazing because they are launching a listing on one tier exchange, GTA market, 5 million followers on the X Twitter, expanding the active community to the 10,000 members and reaching 50,000 holders, and you can market 1 lakh completion. And this is disclaimer of this project, and there you can also check out the reference. Here you can see the on Elevate and Arbitrum and total cryptocurrency market cap. You can also check out 5, and the reference you can also check out. And I click on Discord. sorry, this is Twitter of this project GT token. So let's see, you can check out GT token, GT Arbitrum, the meme token of community and aesthetics, the greatest game series in the history. And you can check out the website also, we are following, and 15.5k. And you can buy GT token on the MEX Sushi Swap. You can also click on Sushi Swap. After clicking the Sushi Swap, you can buy this project on Arbitrum, and here you can see you can buy the GT token on MEX exchange. And here you can see MEX exchange. After clicking the MEX exchange and Sushi Swap exchange, GT on MEX is I simply open here, and this you can also check out scanner. And you can also check out all latest update about this project, provided you need to follow the Twitter account. Simply click on follow. After clicking the follow, you will be successfully followed to the Twitter account, because if they give any update related to this project, you will be notified. So I hope you followed. If you invest in this project, always take your on behalf. I am not responsible any profit and losses. And guys, how to buy this project? Simply go back and copy this contact address, and you can also check out the community about GT token. I already tell all things about this. And first of all, you need to connect your wallet. Simply click on connect wallet, then click on your wallet. I use MetaMask, so simply click on MetaMask trust wallet. Which wallet you using, it's depend on you. Then you need to log in your account. Here I enter my password. After entering the password, and my account will be successfully connecting to the project. And here you can see I enter the password and I click on unlock, then I click on next, and then I click on connect option, and my wallet will be successfully connected. And here you can see, first of all, you need to click on second, and then paste here the contact address. After pasting the contact address, your token will be successfully showed, and then you can buy it. So it's very easy method to buy this project. And here you can see MEX exchange to how to buy GT token. You can also check out available USDT, and you can click on buy, enter your price amount, and then click on buy GTM, and your token will be successfully bought on the MEX exchange. And after all, if you want to sell this token, but I suggest you hold this token, because this project will give you a long-term profit, and I did not recommend you if you buy and did not sell for a long time. So you can also check out GT token DEX scanner here. You can also check out DEX scanner price chart and everything. Price USD 5.69 and price 5, and you can also check out you can also use the indicator. You can also click on the Sushi Swap, and here you can see if you want to buy, you can also check out Sushi Swap is also here. And this is the price chart of the GTA token, and latest buy, latest sale, everything is provided with valid detail in it. You can also check out liquidity 1 million, FDB 64 million, and market cap you can also check out here. So it's very easy method to buy this project, and I recommend you one thing, if you buy this token, buy on your own behalf. I am not responsible any profit and losses. So guys, how to buy this token? Simply enter your price USDT, how much you want to buy, then log in your MEX account, then click on enter your amount, then click on buy GT. Your token will be successfully bought. And after all, if you want to sell, then enter your price amount USDT and GT, and then click on sell GT. It's very easy method to buy and sell this token. So I hope you understand everything, and you can also check out the homepage about this project. So let's talk about some other detail about this project. You can click on Sushi, and after clicking the Sushi Swap will be successfully open. You can use Sushi Swap for buy this project, and you can also use the MEX exchange. MEX is a very popular exchange, and I suggest you use MEX exchange, but it's depend on you which what you use. So you can also check out $5.767 one GTA price. So guys, some suggestion of my in this project. This is really great and really awesome project, but take risk at your own behalf. I'm not responsible, I already tell about it, but it's an awesome project. I suggest you to invest, but on your own risk. Do make sure do your own research, and you can also check out the price 5 year, 1 year, 6 minutes, 3 minutes. You can also check out this project is growing very fastly, and you can hear everything is provided with valid detail. You can click on the buy option. After clicking the buy option, your token will be successfully bought, and here you can see the coin market cap. So I open the coin market cap is also showing. I click on coin market cap. After clicking the coin market cap, you can check out coin market cap will be successfully open to the GT token, and here you can see the 1 day 3.7% is the up, and with the one GT token is priced $6.05, and here you can see market cap, volume, and everything is total supply, max supply, and this is a fully market cap website, white paper, Telegram, Twitter, chain explorer. You can click on gonna chain explore, and this is UID. If you want to buy, you can USDT converter. If you spend if you want to 500 GTA token, you need to spend $2,854. You can check out the low $6, high $6.96, all time high, all time low. You can also check out all time high and low, and in 156, and you can also check out popularity. And here you can see the click on high option. After clicking the high, you can also use the MEXC exchange. So it's very easy method to buy this project and hold this project. If you add to this project in your wallet, then simply paste your contract address here, and your token will be successfully added to your wallet.